Have you ever asked yourself, why is it that women are most commonly the ones who suffer from varicose veins? With all the advancements in technology we have today, why hasn't the medical field come up with an answer to this question? It's a simple question and a very legitimate one. Well, let me tell you that most people think that varicose veins has no cure. And believe it or not, this is not true. Many natural treatments are available to treat spider and varicose veins. The problem is that most people don't really know about them, and they don't really know how they work. Believe me, if you knew the cause and how easy it is to treat them, you would definitely do it naturally. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal the most effective treatment to get rid of varicose veins naturally and how to eliminate them once and for all. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, treat my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of appointment quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share extra tips and video links related to this topic. Nobody likes to see varicose veins appear out of nowhere, especially if that's someone that takes good care of their health and their beauty. They usually develop when small valves inside your veins become weak, and in many occasions producing that burning sensation, muscle cramp, or swelling in your feet and ankles, or even pain. But have you ever asked yourself, why is it that this happens? And why is it happens so much more to women than to men? Is there an explanation? So in today's video, I'm going to reveal the most effective treatment to get rid of varicose veins naturally and how to eliminate them once and for all. Number 1, keep your hormones in balance. If you've ever asked yourself, why is it that women suffer from varicose veins a lot more than men do? Well, it's because of hormones. Why do 90% of cases appear in women? Could it possibly be because women tend to change hormones a lot more than men do? That's the most obvious reason. The truth is that varicose veins tend to appear when hormones are not in check. You might have noticed, for example, how spider veins most frequently appear during menopause. Now, this is why it's absolutely necessary that you put all your effort into balancing out your hormones. This means that you need to stay away from foods or ingredients that cause hormone imbalances. Watch out for soy, corn syrup, processed foods, canned, packaged goods, or any other food that doesn't come in its natural state. Be very careful about eating and using hormone disruptors. These are very common. And if you're going through menopause, the same thing applies to you. Even worse, you need to do everything in your power to balance out these hormones effectively. Number 2, you need a good varicose vein formula. The sad part about suffering from varicose veins is that there's no real home remedy that you can use or use at home to see them go away. Several plants and herbs have been used for thousands of years as popular folk remedies for varicose veins, but sadly these are not found in your kitchen, and that's a problem. Some of these are butcher's broom, horse chestnut, hawthorn berries, and other types of berries that are serving a purpose in varicose veins. Now, they relieve chronic venous insufficiency that cause pain, ankle swelling, feelings of heaviness, itching, and leg cramping. They can also be used to improve water retention, circulatory problems, swelling, diarrhea, PMS syndrome or cramps, and other skin-related conditions. But as I said before, you will not find them at home. Now, the problem with finding them all separately is that they become hard to use or consume. The best way to do it is done by finding one specific formula with everything you need for varicose vein treatment, and it works. At drlandivar.com, you'll be able to find Vein Flow from Fineland. The supplement has been carefully formulated with over 8 ingredients designed specifically to help the body treat spider and varicose veins naturally and effectively. Number 3, don't stay standing up for long periods of time. Suffering from varicose veins is always a symptom of an underlying condition called venous insufficiency disorder. This basically means that if you're standing up for long periods of time, it will only get worse. You see, varicose veins usually appear because the vein walls you have, usually in your legs, lose the ability to contain blood that is trying to travel upwards towards your heart. This can happen due to age, hormone changes, inflammation, collagen deficiencies. These are only some of the reasons why varicose veins might appear, because of venous insufficiency. If you add gravity to this mixture, that weakened vein wall becomes impossible to treat. This is basically why professions where people have to stand up all the time are the most commonly seen for the ones who suffer from venous insufficiency. It's very simple. It's just gravity. If you have all that blood in your legs or in your feet, it's impossible to treat varicose veins. So try to sit down, relax, put your feet up, try to relax and make sure that your blood does not pull down on your feet. Number 4, eat an anti-inflammatory diet. This might sound like it's not important, but let me tell you, you have no idea how much this changes your situation. Certain foods can help reverse inflammation and improve blood flow, but certain foods can be very, very damaging to blood flow and inflammation. You see, a poor diet that's high in trans fat, maybe sugar, caffeine, alcohol, or processed foods all contribute to arterial damage, low circulation, hormone imbalances, weight gain, and blood pressure conditions. Many of these foods are also high in sodium, which is dehydrating in our tissues, but accumulates water inside our veins, worsening your condition. So I suggest you start consuming fiber. High fiber foods, for example, include chia seeds, flax seeds, which are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, vegetables, fruits, and sprouted legumes. Also try to include antioxidant foods such as flavonoids, present in berries, maybe vitamin C, vitamin E. All of these help strengthen veins and improve arterial health. And last but not least, diuretic foods. Don't forget that the least amount of water you have, the better. If you have heavy varicose veins, doctors will sometimes use diuretic pills to help increase urination and reduce water retention or swelling. Very important. So foods are extremely, extremely crucial. You need to know that parsley, for example, cilantro, basil, cucumber, and celery will help you stay healthy in varicose vein treatments. Number 5, you need to lose weight. People who are overweight are more likely to develop varicose veins, especially overweight women and elderly people. Very important. Carrying excess body weights puts a higher amount of pressure on your veins and on your circulation, obviously causing and contributing to inflammation, especially, very, very especially in your legs. According to a report published in the Huffington Post, there is a strong connection between obesity and varicose veins, obviously maybe due to hormone imbalances. Again, hormones are very important. So you need to lose weight. The more you lose, the less stress you will have in your circulation, on your heart, and in everything that has to do with inflammation. Very important. If you need a quality supplement for inflammation and for weight loss at the same time, look at Figurizer and Appleizer from Finland at drlandivar.com. And help out the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below. I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or align an appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos related to stopping valid information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.